Today I'm going to show you how to find Amazon tracking numbers. This is incredibly useful when you need to check where your package is or provide tracking information to someone else. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and sign into your account by entering your credentials. Make sure you're fully logged in before moving forward, as you'll need access to your account details to view your orders and tracking information. Once you're logged in, hover your mouse over Account and Lists in the top right menu bar, then select Orders. This will take you to a page where you can see all your recent purchases and their current status. It's your central hub for managing everything you've ordered from Amazon, whether it's already delivered, in transit, or preparing for shipment. Although I don't have any orders right now, I will show you the next step. When you do have orders, you'll see them listed with details about what you purchased and when. This page makes it easy to keep track of multiple orders at once, especially during busy shopping seasons. Look for the order you want to find tracking numbers for. Right beside it, click Track Package. This button is usually clearly visible next to each order, and clicking it will bring up detailed shipping information. Amazon makes this straightforward so you can quickly access the status of any package without having to dig through emails or contact customer service. Once the tracking details load, look for text labeled Tracking ID or Tracking Number. This unique identifier is what carriers use to track your package throughout its journey to you. You can copy this number and use it directly on the carrier's website for even more detailed tracking information, or share it with someone who's expecting the package. And that's all there is to it. You now know exactly where to find your Amazon tracking numbers whenever you need them. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.